If you're looking to relieve those annoying aches and pains, relax and rejuvenate your body and mind, you need the Dr. Physio Full Body Massager, the perfect accessory to bring the full spa experience to the comfort of your own home. This unique massager comes with 4 detachable heads for multi-purpose, multi-location massaging. The wave head, the rolling head, the scraping head, and the frosted head. The ergonomic design means the Dr. Physio Full Body Massager fits comfortably in your hand, ensuring you get the most effective massage wherever you need it. Attach the wave head and then the protective cover for a gentle all-over massage, improving blood circulation and reducing aches and pains. Simply turn the dial to turn the massager on and adjust the intensity to a level you're comfortable with. The smooth motion and adjustable speed means you can customize your massage to suit your unique requirements. Changing the heads is easy. Simply twist to unlock the protective cover. Remove the current head and push your chosen massage head into place. Then reattach the mesh cover if desired. For cellulite, tense muscles, and improving blood flow, attach the rolling head. The multiple nodes produce a deeper and more focused massage, aiding in weight loss and relaxing your body from head to toe. We recommend using circular motions and applying light pressure for up to 15 minutes on each spot. For tightening loose skin, toning arms, and dissolving unwanted fat, the scraping head is ideal. Simply glide along your arms, thighs, and stomach for noticeable results. To eliminate muscle fatigue, use the wave head, a softer massage that helps you relax and unwind. You can even attach the protective mesh cover to prevent damage to your skin and hair. And finally, for cleansing and removing dead skin, we have the frosted head, which gently exfoliates and removes dry patches and flaky skin to reveal rejuvenated and smooth skin beneath. For the perfect solution to pain, weight, and stress management, get your Dr. Physio Full Body Massager today.